We have actually grown up watching crows, sparrows, parrots around us. But what is that experience without watching a true Himalayan bird? Yeah, I'm talking about Himalayan Park, which is located in Shimla. This place is a complete wild resort. आपको यहाँ पर आना ही पड़ेगा अगर आपको देखना है कि what exactly these wild birds look like. Not even just wild, here you get a variety. As to put in numbers, 7 varieties of pheasants. Yeah, they are available here. So just come here and just see the wild sanctuary. Isn't it amazing and wild too?
For all the bird lover visiting Shimla, there is a small but very beautiful Pakshi Shala situated in Chaura Maidan known as the Himalayan Bird Park. The entry fees to this park is only ₹5, which was started in the year 1994 by the Forest Department. You get to see variety of bird species here like monarch pheasant, Kalich pheasant, silver pheasant, Indian goose or the mallard duck. You can see almost all the birds here which are found in the Himalayas. You also get to see some rare species of ducks and cocks. It was really a great experience for me to feel these birds right in front of me without any barriers.